Hey guys, mga dakilan. Nagpapalik tayo. At ito na pala yung level natin guys. Paldo. Guys, hey guys. Gusto natin. Ano ba yung dagdag sa'yo? Anong dagdag? Tingnan mo naman kuya. Kuya, tingnan mo yung dagdag. Kuya, tingnan mo yung dagdag. Sana all may ganyan na. Sana all may 15,000. Ako nga, 1,000 lang kasi sa kapal 15,000 ko eh. Tara mag-phone sa present treadmill. So guys. So guys, okay. Basic. So natin mag-basic guys. Kasi baka mamatay tayo. Let's go! Guys, napanood yung mga upload ko. Please mag-like and subscribe na tayo guys. Please, kagayahin nyo guys. Ito lang yung kailangan guys. Ito lang guys, naka-live na tayo. Bago natin pagsabihin yung mga natin. Kung gusto nyo malaman to, ipaabot nyo ako guys ng 100 subscribers. O kaya, 1 million likes. Paabotin nyo ako sa inyo. Paano nyo gumagana. No! Ikaw ba yun? Potter! Naka-install ko na to ha. Kuya, stage ka na. Stage 10 na ako. Kuya, kinuha ko lang yung ano. Kuya, teka. Kuya, tignan mo, tugtog. Wow! Ilang favorite na ba ako?
No.
Kuya! Ito na ako. Dito na ako. O, makaabot na ako sa ano ah.
No, nakuha ko.
Nakuha nga ha. Kaka. Boo! Ba't di ko pa kaya nilaglag ako dito ako nakikita si Mami. Oh boy. Namatay! Yan! Ba't pa ako yung 2 win? 1 wins pa lang. Potek na lang ako kayo. Oh boy. Uy, susunod ko. Di ko nakakita si Mami. Wala malapit. 115.
Ha.
Grabe, napakabilis.
Ha.
Pero malapit na ako makapunta sa World 2.
Ha.
Pag hindi dyan yung 100. Oh, tingnan mo. Uy, tignan mo to. Tignan mo, napaka-noob mo. Oh boyo. Nagtipi, padaya.
Nasa record na tawang.
Lame ko yan eh.
Yan. Tamo. Yan. Tamo technique.
Oh boyo.
Oh.
Alam ko yan eh. Uy, tignan mo to. Dati ko pa yung alam, boy. Dumidagdag mo, napakabagal, oh. Oh, boyo. Tignan mo, bagal mo magpa-level up. Oh, boyo. Uy, di ba ko yan talo na kasama dang beses? Nasaan na yung, nasaan na yung 15, yung golden treadmill ko?
Atala mo ako dun sa ano, ha?
Oo, wala nga. Nakala ko ta kanina. Hey guys, kailangan na tayo at nakaabot tayo dito sa 105. So, di na kaya ng sticks natin guys kasi sobrang bakal na. Kung may kailangan ko, so, magkanta tayo.
Why has Hulk been getting weaker over time? By the later movies, his strength seemed even less than Red Hulk's. Early on, Hulk was incredibly powerful. One punch could destroy an alien warship. He didn't flinch even under heavy fire from fighter jets. He could toss Loki around like a toy. When enraged, not even Tony's custom-built Hulkbuster could restrain him. Facing the massive Surtur, he showed no fear. But in Infinity War, after being defeated by Thanos, Hulk returned to Earth and refused to transform. Was he simply scared of Thanos? Not entirely. In Thor, Ragnarok, Hulk had independent consciousness. He was like a giant, adorable child. But no one had really acknowledged this side of him. Every time they needed him to transform, people called for Banner, not Hulk. No one treated Hulk as a friend. They only cared about Banner. So in Infinity War, Hulk refused to come out because he felt no one cared about him. Dr. Banner noticed this. By Endgame, after 18 months in the lab, Banner successfully merged with Hulk, creating Professor Hulk. Compared to before, Professor Hulk was less violent, calmer, and more gentle, but his sense of responsibility remained unchanged. In the final battle, Hulk risked losing an arm to snap his fingers, reviving half of all life in the universe. After Thanos' bombardment, he still used his other shoulder to hold up collapsing structures, allowing Rocket Raccoon and Rhodey to escape. Even with one hand disabled, he continued to fight. Hulk has always been, and will always be, a true hero. Why has Hulk been getting weaker over time? By the later movies, his strength seemed even less than Red Hulk's. Early on, Hulk was incredibly powerful. One punch could destroy an alien warship. He didn't flinch even a... The old man picked up his sniper rifle and aimed at the three boys who had
1 minute na lang
He
matapos
didn't
na,
fire in a
ano.
hurry. He waited for the exact
Abot
moment
na,
when the
abot.
boys would open the trash bin. The second they opened it, he pulled the trigger. Their weapon of evil became useless instantly. The boys screamed in pain. The old man calmly put down his rifle, picked up the shell casings from the ground, put on his jacket, placed the flower pot back where it belonged, and went downstairs as if nothing happened. Down there, his friends were quietly playing chess. A little later, an ambulance arrived. At first, the doctor thought it was an accident caused by a broken bottle, but when the police chief reached the scene, something felt wrong. The hole in the couch clearly showed it was a bullet hole. He looked toward the building across the street, and everything started to make sense. The next day,
Ikaw
the
ba yung
boys came back
nakapurpose
to the
sa'yo?
building. The old man went up to the rooftop, readied his rifle, and aimed at the gas tank of the boy's car. Then he pulled the trigger. The boy jumped out of the car just in time, but he was still badly burned. After the investigation, the police chief began to suspect the old veteran. As soon as he got home, he gave his son a strict warning. Don't go outside and don't even go near the window. The boy got scared, closed the curtains, and curled up on the couch. Meanwhile, the police chief arrived at the old man's house. He searched the entire place, but found nothing. Just then, the girl's aunt came to get the keys to her apartment. The police chief followed her upstairs. Looking through the window, he realized this was the shooting spot. He immediately ordered a search. The old man broke into a sweat, but the closet was completely empty. No evidence was found. Even so, the police chief was sure his suspicion.
Ay, mas mabilis pala ako eh. 300
The old
30k.
man, a little kid,
Malapit na ako yung mag-level up.
he saw me. He froze and started trembling.
Kunti na lang.
I felt bad
Bilis ang bilis. Pag matapos ang oras, kailangan mo muna mag-grind, bro.
he pointed at blue sound.
Uy! May special treadmill! May special treadmill! May treadmill! May treadmill! Kuya! No! 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 Dito ko! Dito
I'm
ko!
so sorry for
Dito
this
ko!
kid. He began
Dito
sprinting
ko!
at the door.
Ano?
His legs still shook.
Ito!
He reached under my desk and calmly
Kuya! Ito, mas maganda siya kasi sa Kente. Tignan mo. Wago! Wala na yung... Ah! Kuya, madaya ka. Kuya, hindi dito ko. Ano, wala na kasi yun. Wala na guys. So guys, add nyo ako tapos mag-join kayo dito. Makakita nyo na. So guys. Kuya.
Mas maganda pa to kaysa
Hindi treadmill. Pero mas maganda. Ayun, di ba kuya pang available? Ayun, napakabagal naman ang bigay. Hindi madagdagan level ko.
kanya rin.
Yung mo. Yung kailangan ko pa pumili. Maghabang ako ng 5 minutes.
Wala na.
But his best friend suggested that he serve